Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're using a stretch band to help improve flexibility, release tension, and enhance mobility. This 9-minute routine is perfect for all levels, so grab your band and let's get started. Sit with one leg extended and the other foot tucked in. Wrap the band around the ball of your extended foot and gently pull it toward you while keeping your back straight. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch deeply targets the hamstrings and lower back. Sit or stand tall, holding the band with both hands. Arms extended overhead. Slowly pull the band apart and slightly bend your head, feeling a stretch in your shoulders. Hold for a few breaths, then return to center. Repeat for 30 seconds, then hold for another 30 seconds. This pose helps open up the shoulders and improves posture. Sit cross-legged or with legs extended. Hold the band in both hands overhead and gently lean to one side. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This targets the obliques and spine for a deep release. Stand tall, looping the band around your right foot while holding the ends with your hands. Gently pull your foot toward your glutes, keeping your knees together. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. If you need help with balance, don't be afraid to grab a chair for support. back, cross your right ankle over your left knee, forming a figure 4. Use the band to pull your left foot towards you. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This releases tension in the hips and glutes. Great for lower back relief as well. Lie on your back and loop the band around both feet. Extend your legs straight up, holding the band to keep them stable. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply. This is a great way to relax the legs and improve circulation. That's it for today's stretch band routine. I hope you feel more flexible and relaxed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Namaste.